And tonight in our coverage of the pandemic, COVID cases are rising in parts of the Central Valley as health officials are warning that Delta variant is quickly spreading. Our Jocelyn Moran is live from the Fresno County Department of Public Health with more on their message tonight. Jocelyn.
Yeah, well, today, Dr. John Zweifler with the Fresno County Health Department saying that cases in Fresno County have increased by 20% in just the last week. And even for those who are vaccinated, Dr. Zweifler is recommending that they wear masks in high-risk settings like in crowds.
It had felt like with the reopening that we could kind of put it in our rearview mirror and we could get on with our lives. And unfortunately, that's not the case.
The presence of the Delta variant locally rising quickly. Dr. John Zweifler with the Fresno County Department of Public Health says it's estimated that the variant accounts for 40% of cases in the county.
Do you expect this increase to continue?
Yes, I do.
Madera County also seeing an increase in cases.
We're concerned because the rate of increase is increasing.
And testing sites are seeing an uptick in people coming in.
As vaccinations are starting to drop, we are seeing more testing through our centers.
Vaccination rates in the Central Valley continue to fall behind other parts of the state. Dr. Kenny Bond with UCSF Fresno says they're vaccinating about 60 to 70 people a day.
And obviously we can do a lot more, especially considering where Fresno County's vaccination rate is.
Per Fresno County's latest data, 45% of the population is vaccinated with at least one dose, prompting concern over the impact the Delta variant could have in the coming weeks. But Zweifler says he doesn't think hospitalizations will rise dramatically like they did previously in the pandemic because many older people are vaccinated.
However, we're going to see younger individuals and folks who have their lives to live who are going to get really sick and die. And it's just unfortunate because it could absolutely be prevented.
Adding that throughout the country, 98 to 99% of the COVID-19 patients in hospitals are not vaccinated. Health officials now continue the race to get the vaccine into more people's arms.
Delta variant is bad, but it's not necessarily more deadly than other strains. The next variant may be.
And the Fresno County Health Department is set to have a press conference where officials are expected to talk more on these mask guidelines. For now, live from the Health Department, Jocelyn Moran, KSEE 24, local news that matters.